Hi, it's Robert from Canyon Creek Toyota. Today I'm out in the used car lot and I just want to show you some value vehicles under $10,000. Some of these vehicles can be financed for as little as $75 bi-weekly with zero down. They've gone through a 127-point safety inspection and we provide you with the Carfax report. Fill it with gas, give it a full detailing. These cars are ready to go. Check them out. This sweet '09 Versa for $6,777. This '15 Mitsubishi Lancer for $8,888. This 2015 Jetta for $8,888. A 2016 Dodge Dart SXT with manual transmission. Only $9,777. If you or anybody you know is ever looking for a bargain vehicle, please give me a call or text at 403-828-6922. Have a great day.